Finally, Cloud Run function Arcade Hero 1 is live. Now click on Start Lab and open Cloud Console Incognito window. Now if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel because we bring solutions fast. So now click on I understand. Now after that click on I agree and then agree and continue. Basically we have to create two functions. One is HTTP function and another is cloud storage function. So for that you need to first of all open the Kanban application on new tab. Meanwhile here we will open Cloud Run function. So for that click on function and select Cloud Run functions. Now wait for the function to open. Functions page to open, to be more precise. Now here we will click on write a function. We have to select the function name and then the region as per lab instructions, and then we will be checking the runtime. So it's Go, we have to change it from Node.js and the number of instances 5. So first of all select Go. You can select any version. I am selecting the latest one, and we have to add a HTTP trigger. So let me show they have updated or not. So click on other event arc trigger. So here let's see whether it works or not. So as you can see, here are the details. That is, we have to make these many changes on our function. So first of all we'll try to change it to HTTP, and here are multiple event providers, like whichever you want to connect. So there is no HTTP. So basically just try to rename it. So it's not working. So now we don't have to add the HTTP trigger. So just click like this, and then here we will modify allow authenticated invocations. From here we have to update the container name. So update the values. First of all change the service account. So as you can see, here is the service account they have created, and which we have to change is Arcade Hero service account, and the instance value is 5. So first of all copy the service account name. Now here you have to paste the service account name. So as you can see, they have enabled it. Click on it. Now from here you need to update the instance. So first of all update the generation to second, and from maximum number of instance to 5. Make sure to follow the way I am doing, otherwise if you miss a single step you won't get full score on this lab. Now click on create function. So now wait for this function to create. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds, and if it takes more time, so wait for it. Now after that, once it's done, we will hit check my progress for the task. Now hit check my progress for task number 1. You will get the score without any issue. Now for the task number 2, that is the bucket function. Click on this and then click on leave. Now here again similarly create write a function. Now enter the name. From here you can copy it to. Now for region, select the region as per lab instruction, and for environment it will be Go. Click on allow unauthenticated invocation, and for trigger it will be cloud storage. Just follow the way I am doing, you will get the score without any issue. So we don't have to change anything, but let me show you what were things available under this. So finally it's done. Now for bucket name, we have to select the bucket, that is project ID dash bucket. There are 3 buckets here on our function, but we have to select the bucket which has been created by the lab manual. So let's see. First of all we need to click on the bucket and then click on the bucket. I mean, you can use Ctrl+F also and just click on select. So finally we have done with this. All permissions have been granted, and here you can see we have to update these things. Just the number of instance to 5. So click on save trigger. Now scroll down a bit and here click on this, then click on networking, I mean security, and then containers. Here are 3 things which we have to update. So first of all, update the number of instance, then second generation. Now we have to update this service account. So let me see, there is no change in service account, so just click on create, because in previous function we had to create a Arcade Hero service account, but here we need compute engine. So once it's done, we will hit check my progress and see whether we get full score or not. So let's hit check my progress. As you can see, we got full score and we are done with the lab. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. I will see you guys in the next one.